Welcome to Microsoft Word Intermediate Level Guided Project. I'm Sen Muthaya, a certified Microsoft Office specialist and a mechanical engineer. I'm a continuing education instructor for the Providence Public Library, teaching digital literacy skills, Microsoft Office specialization, and data analytics. I'm delighted to partner with Skills for Road and Futures to bring this instruction to you. I will facilitate this guided project by using a lean business plan as the basis for this course. This guided project focuses on helping you better format your document. You will need a Microsoft 365 account to take this course. Let's start by explaining what a lean business plan is and why we are using it as a template for this course. The Small Business Administration defines a business plan as the foundation of your business and a way to think through the key elements of your corporation. A business plan is a roadmap for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. Corporations typically choose one of two common formats for business plans, traditional or lean startup. Traditional business plans are more common and they go into a lot more details for each section. Lean startup business plan focus more on summarizing the key elements of your plan and are great for business owners that are just starting out. For the purpose of this guided project, we will be using Lean Business Plan template provided by the Small Business Administration to help you learn the functionalities of Microsoft Word intermediate level. This intermediate level 1 hour course focuses on helping you better format your Word document through page layouts, header and footers, and page numbers, while also guiding you through the insertion of various objects including pictures, tables, and hyperlinks. Using a lean business plan template as the basis for this course, you will leave knowing exactly how to create and format your own business plan in Microsoft Word. If you complete all assessments, you will be eligible to earn a course certificate. By the end of this guided project, you will be able to use Page Setup to format your document, insert and format pictures, create and format tables, insert hyperlinks to your text, and you will successfully complete this lean business plan in Microsoft Word. Whether you are a job seeker or an intern, the skills that you will learn in this guided project will help you to be successful in the workforce. Let's get started.